Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Samsung phone not charging. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is make sure your phone is not at a temperature where it's either extremely cold or extremely hot, because it will prevent it from charging. Now, after you know this, the next thing you want to go to troubleshoot is the actual charger itself, both the adapter and the cable. Sometimes either of these can go bad and need to replace them. So if you have another charger completely, try charging with that charger, or you might have to consider replacing the cable or one of this depending on what the issue is. Now, along with that is you also want to check out the charge port here. You're going to look very closely, use a flashlight or something. Basically, you want to make sure there's no dust, dirt, or lint blocking the connection. So when you connect the charger cable, if there's something blocking it, of course, it will not be able to charge properly. So you can also use compressed air. Just basically look for any dirt or dust, lint. You can take something like a microfiber cloth to clean it, or something soft inside just to pick it out to make sure it's not getting in the way. Now, another thing you might also want to consider is some of the newer phones have wireless charging. See if you can charge it through wireless charging as an example, just to make sure that charge port is not broken or damaged. That could also help charge your phone. Now, the next thing you want to do is, if you're still having issues, go into your setting and look for the battery setting. And you want to turn off, for example, if you have battery protection, turn this off to make sure it's turned off, just to ensure that it's not blocking anything. And then you're going to go down to a setting called charging settings. So you're going to click on charging setting, and you want to go ahead and turn off fast charging and wireless charging, any other setting that you might have as well. So all of this turned off, go ahead and try. And of course, you can come back later on if it's charging to turn it back on, just to rule it out. Now, after you have done that, it's still not working, you want to follow this step. You're going to locate the volume down button and then the side button. You're going to hold it at the same time. So here I'm using two of my fingers holding down that volume down button and the side button, and wait for the phone to go completely black and you see the Samsung logo reappear before you let go of those buttons. So here you can keep on holding. And basically, we're forcing the phone to shut down, and we're going to wait for it to turn back on. So usually it will turn back on and you let go. So I was holding down both the volume down and this side button known as a force restart, which forces the phone to completely shut down and then reload the code, fixing any software issue that could be preventing it not detecting the charging going on. So go ahead and try that and boot up your phone. Now, final thing to do if you're still having issue is to see if there's a software update. Maybe a previous update is causing charging issues. So what you'll do is go into your setting, and then you're going to go to software update, check for update. If there is an update, go ahead and update your phone to the latest version to make sure it is fixed. So if I have an update here, you're going to go ahead and proceed, and then go ahead and begin the update. So those are all the things you need to do in order to fix the charging. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.